In this video, I will show you how to gain followers on Instagram. You will get free Instagram followers and likes. No survey, no password required, and this trick is 100% risk free. You will get followers from real active Instagram users, and this trick works on both Android and iOS operating systems. So we will be using a free tool called InstFollowUp. This free tool is providing great features to grow your Instagram account organically. So a huge thanks to InstFollowUp for making this video possible. But before we begin, I'm Farzil, and on this channel I publish content related to social media, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and definitely press that bell notification to all so you never miss any video from me. So let's get straight into it and show you more about this free tool. To start off, let's open the Instagram app. As you can see, I have 200 followers here on this account. So as you can see here on this post, I have 40 likes. So now let's gain followers on Instagram and also get likes on one of our posts. So there's a link provided in description. Click and visit the first link from the description. Then you will be redirected to this website. Now don't quit and skip the video and listen very carefully. If you are on Android, you can simply click the download app now button and download the app. So let's do that quickly. iOS users can simply visit the second link from description and download the app from App Store. Now click download and it will be downloaded. So it's downloaded. Let's open it. Now click this install button and install it. Continue watching it as there are few more steps for proper installation. Now click open. So the installer is installing the app. Click the install button and install the app. You might see this pop up. So simply click install anyway, and the app is 100% safe though. So finally the app is properly installed. Now open the app. Click the allow button and again. Now you have to log in into the app. To do so, we have to sign up with the app. So click the sign up button. Simply add your name. It has to be from 4 to 44 characters. Then add an email address. It can be any active email, not necessarily the one associated with your Instagram. Now create a password. It's not your Instagram account password. Then confirm that password by typing it again. Lastly, click that sign up button. So you will be signed up and logged in. So click this claim reward button to claim your daily reward. As you can see, we got 50 coins. We will gain more coins if we use this app regularly. Now enter your Instagram username here and click the add button. We have got 300 coins for a sign up bonus. We can get 200 more coins if we verify our email. So let's quickly verify our email by clicking this. Now click this send button. It will send a verification code to your email. So let's open the Gmail app. And as you can see, we got a verification code from followers gallery. So let's copy and paste this verification code into the app and then click that verify button. Now our email will be verified. Yes, we are rewarded with 200 more coins. Now click this chest and open it. So we got some more coins. Here in the first tab, you can get coins by liking posts. So click this button. They want us to log in to verify our Instagram account. Don't worry, it's 100% safe. So let's quickly log in by adding our credentials. Click verify and the account has been verified. Yes, we got the coins. Like this, we can get even more coins by following others. So let's click follow option and tap follow and we gain another 100 coins. We can do this again and again and earn enough coins. But they also have energy features which will help your account be safe while still following and liking others' posts. When you follow someone and get coins, you lose 5 energy and lose 2 energy for liking others. The energy is restored every 5 minutes. Let's get followers now. Click the second tab. We can spend the coins here and get followers and likes, but we don't have enough coins to get the followers. So I will pause the video and come back after earning some coins. I think we earned enough coins to get the followers. Let's get 10 followers by spending 1899 coins. They will also give us 10 free likes on our latest post. Click this and click get followers now button. So we will get the followers and give likes soon. Now click this get likes button, but we don't have enough coins to get likes, but we will just follow up with the first order. Now click this third tab. Here if you want you can also buy them, but if you want you can also use the free tools. Now click the last tab, and here you can track the followers and likes progress. So now let's open the Instagram app and check if we received the followers already. Yes, the followers are sent instantly and we also gained free likes on our latest post. This is a great trick to get followers and likes, and this trick is 100% safe to its energy features which allow us to earn coins at timely basis. These followers are 100% real and aren't bots. Link is given in description for ins follow up. Subscribe and press this bell notification to all. Leave a like on this video. So I will see you soon. Bye.